So let's study chapter 1 Sarva Bhuta Chinta Sharira, part 1 from Sushruta Sharira Sthana, Sushruta Samhita Sharira Sthana. So we can study using some images, shortcuts, tips, and tricks. अथादः सर्वबोधचिन्ता शरीरं व्याख्यास्यामः यथोवाच भगवान् धन्वन्तरिः. Now we shall discourse on the chapter by name Sarva Bhuta Chinta Sharira, enquiry of all the substance of the universe revealed by the venerable sage Dhanvantari. Avyakta. Avyakta means that which has no manifest, that is the unmanifested one. So let's study what is this avyakta, what is this unmanifest. Only that principle or entity which satisfy the below mentioned condition can be designated as avyakta. So the Acharya has mentioned some condition to be satisfied to designate a condition to be avyakta. So to be a principle named avyakta, it should satisfy some condition. Sarva Bhutanam Karanam Akaranam Sattva Tamo Lakshanam Ashtarupam Agilasya Jagadaha Sampava Hedu Avyaktam Nama. So first is Karanam Akaranam. Sarva Bhutanam Karanam Akaranam is Avyakta. So the Avyakta is the Karana of Sarva Bhuta and it is itself an Akarana. So let's see. So Karana means it should be the cause or origin of all Bhuta. It is both living and non-living substance in this world. That is, Avyakta is the cause or origin or Karana of all living and non-living things in this world. So what is Akarana? Avyakta is Akarana. Means Avyakta should not have a cause for its own origin, that it should not have been created from anything else. So Avyakta is not created from anything else. That is the Akarana. So Karana means Avyakta is the cause of all Bhuta and Avyakta is Akarana means it is not created from anything else. Sattva Raja Tamo Lakshanam. Avyakta should have three guna. Which are the three guna? Sattva Raja Tamo. So the Avyakta has three guna as its guna. Ashta Rubam. It should have 8 rupa. The 8 rupa we will discuss in the next class. Agilasya Jagadaha Sampava Hetu. Avyakta is the cause of origin of the entire universe. It should be the origin of the entire universe. It is the Hedu for the origin of Aghila Jagada means what? Whole universe. Tadegam bahunam kshetratnyanam. Kshetratnyanam adhishtanam samudra iva udhakanam bhavanam. Tadekam. It is eka. Avyakta is eka or the one and only. That is a single entity. Bahunam kshetratnyanam adhishtanam. Avyakta is the kshetra, dwelling place of innumerable kshetratna. So Avyakta is bahunam kshetratnyan adhishtanam. It is the dwelling place of the innumerable bahunam kshetratna. So Avyakta itself is the kshetra. So you understood what is kshetra and kshetratna? Avyakta is the kshetra. Means dwelling place. And what about kshetratna? The souls, the innumerable souls in the universe. That is a kshetratna. So Avyakta is a kshetra, dwelling place of innumerable kshetratna. So what is it compared? Compared to Samudra iva udhakanam bhavan. Means ocean is the dwelling place for all the living and non-living substance present in it. So ocean is the kshetra of all the living and non-living organisms living in the samudra. Okay, like that Avyakta is kshetra to all the kshetratnya. Next, we are going to study about Ahangara. So, we already discussed about the Avyakta. Next is Mahat and Ahangara. Tasmad avyaktan mahan utpadhyade tallinga eva. So from this avyakta, so we already studied the gunas of avyakta. From this avyakta, mahat tattva manifest. And the mahat will have the same features as avyakta. That is, it will have the three guna. All what I have mentioned is also the gunas will be there in mahat also. As mahat is arising from avyakta. So from the avyakta, mahatattva arise. Tallingacha mahadaha, tallakshana eva ahankara utpadyade. From such mahatattva, ahankara takes its origin. So ahankara will also have the same feature, that is the three guna, sattva, rajatama, as its quality. So from avyakta, mahatattva, from the mahatattva, ahankara. सा च त्रिविधः वैखारिकः तैजसो bhutadiri iti. So the ahankara from the mahat will be of three kinds: vaikarika, taijasa and bodhadi. So ahankara is vaikarika, taijasa, bodhadi. Now the next step, the origin of the Chaturvimshati Tattva, 24 Tattva, 24 primordial principles. Tatra Vaikharikat, Ahankarat, Taijasa Sahayat, Tallakshanani, Eva, Ekadasha, Indriyani, Utpadhyante. So, the Ekadasha Indriya. Now, next step is Ekadasha Indriya. So, Ekadasha, it is Dasha, means Eka. Dasha, it is 11. 11 indriyas are produced or born out of Vaikarika Ahankara. So from the Ahankara, three types we told: Vaikarika, Taijasa, Bodhadi. From the Vaikarika Ahankara comes Ekadasha Indriya with the help of Taijasa Ahankara. That is, Taijasa Ahankara helps the Vaikarika Ahankara to produce the 11 Indriya. Again, the 11 Indriyas have the same features of quality as those of Vaikarika Ahankara. So, Avyakta, Mahatattva, Ahankara. Ahankara we can divide into three: Vaikarika, Taijasa, Bodhadi. From the Vaikarika come Ekadasha Indriya. Tadyada. So, which are the Ekadasha Indriya? We are going to talk about the Ekadasha Indriya. They are Srotra, Tvak, Chakshu, Jihva, Grana, Vak, Hasta, Ubasta, Payu, Padha, Manamsi, Iti. So, Ekadashi Indriya, Srotra, ears, Tvak, Chaksh, skin, Chakshu, eyes, Jihva, tongue, Grana, nose, Vak, speech, Hasta, hands, Upasta, genitals, Payu, anus, Pada, feet, and Mana, mind. So this is a picture representation, Ekadasha Indriyas in Ayurveda. So we can see the 5. So you can go through with the Sanskrit word also. That is Chakshu, Srotra, Grana, Tvak, Jihva. 5 Jnanendriya or sense organ. Now the Karmendriya, organs of action, motor organs, hands, hasta, pada, leg, vak, related with the jihva, mouth, ubasta, genitals, and gudha, anus. Payu or gudha. Now then +1 manas is the Ubhayendriya. Tatra purvani pancha buddhindriyani. Idarani pancha karmendriyani ubhayatmagam manaha. That is, out of these 11 indriyas, 5 jnanendriya. The first 5, that is a srotra, tvaka, chakshu, jihva, grana. These are the buddhi indriya, jnanendriya. That is the organs of the cognition, intellectual, or we can say the sense organ. So these 5, srotra, tvak, Chakshu, Jihva, Grana are our Jnanendriya or Buddhindriya or the sense organs. Karmendriya, that is an action organ, we can simply say. So, Vak, speech, Hasta, hands, Ubasta, genital, Pada, feet, and Payu, anus. So the other five, the later five, next five set after the Jnanendriya or Buddhindriya, we talk about the Karmendriya. They are the organs of work, operative organ, organs of work, motor organ or organ of conation. So all these are same. So organs of action, Karmendriya. Next, Mana, Ubhayatmaka, Manaha. Mana or mind is Ubhayatmaka because they have the function of the both. That is a cognition, sensory as well as motor, conation or motor. Partakes of the character of both intellectual and the operative organs alike. So, they do the function of both cognition or the sensory and motor function together. We call it as Ubhayatmaka Mana. Mana Ubhayatmaka. So these are the 11th Indriya, Ekadasha Indriya. So again we can say the Ekadasha Indriyas are Srotra, ears, Tvak, skin, Chakshu, eye, Jihva, tongue, Grana, nose. So these five are the Jnanendriya, Buddhindriya. Next, Karmendriya, Hasta, hand, Ubhasta, genital, Payu, Venus, Pada, feet, Mana, mind. So you can study Hasta, Pada, Ubhasta, Payu and Vak. And last, the Ubhayatmakam, Manaha. So try to remember this image. Bodhaderabhi Taijasa Sahayata Lakshanani Eva Pancha Tanmatrani Utpadyande. So next we are going to study about the Pancha Tanmatra. So we already said the Ahangara, three types of Ahangara, right? That is a Taijasa, Vaigarika, Taijasa, Bodhadi. And from the Vaigarika we study the Ekadashi Indriya. Now we are going to study about the Bodhadi Ahangara. From the same Bodhadi Ahangara, Pancha Tanmatra, that is the five primordial elements are produced. Bodhadi Ahangara produces the Tanmatra with the help of Taijasa Ahangara. So the Taijasa Ahangara helps the Vaigarika Ahangara to produce the Ekadashi Indriya. At the same time, it helps the Bodhadi Ahangara to produce Pancha Tanmatra. So, if we check Avyakta, Mahatattva, Ahangara, Vaigarika give rise to Ekadasha Indriya, Bodhadi give rise to Pancha Tanmatra, and both of them get the help from the Taijasa Ahangara. Tadyada Shabda Tanmatram, Sparsha Tanmatram, Rupa Tanmatram, Rasa Tanmatram, Gandha Tanmatram. So, Pancha Tanmatras are Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha Tanmatra. Tesham Visheshaha Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha. So the Vishesha or the special guna of these special quality of this Pancha Tanmatras are what we say as the sense. Right, Shabda. Sound for Shabda Tanmatra. Sparsha. Touch for Sparsha Tanmatra. That is a sound. Sparsha. The touch is the special guna. Sparsha is the special guna of Sparsha Tanmatra, Rupa, vision, Rasa, taste, and Gandha, smell. So these are the special or Vishesha guna of Pancha Tanmatra. So Pancha Tanmatras are Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, and their senses are sound, touch, form of vision, taste, and smell. Also, you can remember this image also, Shabda, Sparsha, Gandha, Rupa, Rasa. Tebhyo Bhudhani Vyoma Anila Anala Jalorupyaha Jala Urviyaha. From these Tanmatra, they produce Panchamahabhuta. So Vyoma or Akasha, that is a space or ether. Anila, Vada, air. Anila is Vada or Vayu and Anala is Agni or fire. Jala, water. Urvi or Prithvi is earth. So these are the Panchamahabhuta from Pancha Tanmatra. So these are the Panchamahabhuta. Prithvi, up, Tejo, Vayu, Akasha. So from Avyakta arises Mahatattva. From Mahatattva, Trivida Ahankara. Vaikarika Ahankara give rise to Ekadasha Indriya with the help of Taijasa Ahankara. Bhudadi Ahankara give rise to Pancha Tanmatra with the help of Taijasa Ahankara. From Pancha Tanmatra, it give rise to Panchamahabhuta. So this is the Chaturvimshadi Tattva. Evamesha Tattva Chaturvimshadihi Vyakhyata. Thus the Chaturvimshadi Tattva, that is 24 primordial principles were described. So Chaturvimshadi Tattva, Avyakta 1, Mahat 1, Ahankara 1, 11 Ekadasha Indriya, 5 Pancha Tanmatra and 5 Panchamahabhuta, total of 24 Tattva. So Chaturvimshadi, again we can say Chaturvimshadi Tattva, Avyakta and manifest. Then from Mahat, the next is Ahankara. From the Ahankara we studied Vaikarika Ahankara, Ekadasha Indriya. Ekadasha Indriya again, Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, Mana. Then the Pancha Tanmatra from which Ahankara? Bhudadi Ahankara, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasagandha. And from this Pancha Tanmatra, Panchamahabhuta, Prithvi, Ap, Tejo, Vayu, Akasha. This is the 24 or Chaturvimshadi Tattva. Tatra buddhindriyanam shabdhadayo vishayaha karmendriyanam yadha sankyam vachana adhana ananda visarga viharanani. Shabda etc. are the vishaya or objects of buddhi indriya or jnanendriya. So we are going to study about the vishesha guna of this indriya. Jnanendriya. What is the vishaya? Vishaya of jnanendriya, Sravana indriya. For ears it is Shabda. Sparshanendriya, touch or skin, it is Sparsha. Rupendriya, organ of sight or vision, that is the eyes. Rupendriya is eyes. Vishaya is Rupa. Rasanendriya, sense organ of taste, and it is tongue. And Vishaya is Rasa or taste. Granendriya, sense organ of smell, it is nose. And the Vishaya is Gandha or smell. So again, Jnanendriyas are Sravanendriya, ears, Shabda, Sparshanendriya, skin, Sparsha, Rupendriya, eyes, Rupa, Rasanendriya, tongue, Rasa, Granendriya, nose, Gandha. Now next is Karmendriya and their Vishayas. Vakindriya, motor organ of speech is larynx. And what is the Vishaya? Vachana or speech. Hasta Indriya, motor organ of holding, hands. Adhana, receiving, holding, grasping, etc. Upastha, motor organ of sex, that is the genitals or the penis. Ananda, sexual pleasure. Payu, motor organ of excretion, rectum or anus. Visarga, excretion of waste. Padha, motor organ of locomotion, that is the feet, and Viharana, walking or moving about. Vakindriya, Vachana, Hastandriya, Adhana, Ubastha, Ananda, Payu, Visarga, Pada, Viharana. So, Vak, Vachana, Hasta, Adhana, Pada, Viharana, Ubastha, Ananda, Payu, Visarga. Again, Vakindriya, Vachana, Vakindriya, larynx, Vachana, Hastandriya, hands, Adhana, Ubastha, genitals, it is Ananda, Payu, rectum, Payu, it is Visarga, Padha, it is feet, Viharana. So thank you for watching my video. Here ends the first part. We can study the later in the second part. Thank you again for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment for more updates. Thank you.